method that the ancient people used this particular method to calculate really fast, and there's also a tool that helped them. And now we will learn how to display numbers on an Abacus tool. Can you see this center dot? Can you see this center dot over here? Right, this is the ones place. The center dot on your Abacus tool, which means here is the ones place. So, see, if we do one bit up, if there's one bit up, then it will display the number 1. And if you want to erase this number 1, then simply hold to the Abacus tool right over here and just strip it up. Then you can reset the Abacus tool. So, we have learned how to make the number 1. And the ones are always used with the right hand. So, then if we want to make number 2, then we will make like this. We'll reset the tool and make number 2. See how 2 bits are up. And then we will put 3 bits up, then it will be 3. Then we'll put 4 bits up, then it will be 4. And so on. So, and there is a bit tricky part. See, can you see this top bit? This top bit, if I put it down, then it represents the number 5. Then if I add one down bit, then it will be 6. Then if I add one more to the number 6, then it will be number 7. And then number 8, number 9, and then if you want to make number 10, then this is the tens place. Right, just left of the ones place is the tens place. So if you make one bit on the tens place, then it will be 10. If you want to make the number to 19, then you can simply just do 1 bit on the tens place and 9 bits on the ones place. And then if you put this upper bit on the tens place down, then it will be the number 50. So this is all about the video. If you like it, then subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.